Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, remember this from the Lamborghini video? No, I mean remember this Hot Wheels box we got from Walmart? And remember when I found it, I was like, "Wait, guys, look!" And I was like freaking out like a maniac just because I found this Lamborghini pack. Very cool, actually. Here's the front of the box where you can see all the beautiful luxury Hot Wheels. Side. Other side, back with all the stuff and 3-year-old child not eating the Hot Wheel. His butt. Here's the butt of the Hot Wheel box. Not really butt, like a code. And also not sponsored, by the way. Here's like the top. Yeah, let's open it. So let's just okay, here's the Hot Wheels. Oh my. Here we have the Lamborghini Venom. It is a hypercar. I really like this car. It's got a gold paint job. It's got some cool little weird rims. And also, I really like these little things, the little airlock things. And also, it's got a nice back of all the little mufflers and lights. And the face of the car looks so serious and cool. And also, it's got the black stripe through it. And also, it's got a gold color. It makes it look super nice. And it's got a spoiler, too. And this car was made in 2013, but that is not true. Next, delicate and very expensive car. Here we got the Lamborghini Hurricane LP 622 Super Toretto. I can't really read it all. So here we got this magnificent car. It is a nice coated baby, a little bit like, here we got the Lamborghini Hurricane. It's got a nice baby blue, darkish color. And it's got these little pocket things right here. It's got some cool yellowish, greenish rims. And it's got a big boy spoiler right here. And it's got a little tiny like piece that's yellow here. It's got the little airlock things on every single Hot Wheel. I mean, like on every single Lamborghini. The face looks super cool, and it's got a nice paint job, and it looks super cool. Look at it. It's even got like a flag on it. See that stripe right there? And it also has a 64 thing, and that's super cool too. So yeah. Next, delicate and very expensive car. Oh. Here we have, it's cool. Here we have the Lamborghini Masco. And it's looking fly, very fly. Here we got the Lamborghini Masco. It's got a cool design. But the car is old, but still it's a nice car. Here we got the back of the car with all the fancy lights and stuff. Here we got the area where you can see the, engine of the car. Right here. It's got a little glass window with the little, little shape look. It's even got these cool wheels that have little, orange, stripes surrounding the car. It's got 2 windows, and it's got the windshield right here you can look through. Ooh. And also we can drift here too. And this car has 1 big muffler. And also this car was made in 2010. And I'm really digging this stripe through, this black and orange stripe. And also I really like the gray color on it. And it says SVR or SV. It's pretty cool. I'm just happy I found this. We have 2 very expensive and delicate, very expensive, in the future, very expensive cars here. What? See anything wrong? What is that? You gotta be kidding me. A little piece of something was on my Lamborghini Aventador J. So yeah, let's go through this car. This car is magnificent. It's got no like top ceiling. It's just got like 2 seats. It looks like something from the future. It's got a nice white color, and it's got a black stripe through it, and the little triangle wheels. And also here are the 2 seats. It's a 2-passenger. And here is the back of the 4 mufflers. And we got I really like this little cage thing, the little cage for the engine. Here we got the front of the car. Here we got the back. We got the spoiler. And also it's white. And look at it. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. It looks so crazy. It's got no roof like all these other cars. No. Except for that one. That one. Okay, granted, some cars don't have like roofs, but just to say this car's cool. Next, very delicate, expensive, very valueless car in the future from 2021 to 2025, very legendary car. Here we got a Lamborghini Gallardo LP 574 Super Lager. I can't really read it. This car is just beautiful. I really like the square. I really like this car. It's tiny. It's got like kind of like a square rectangle shape. It's got these little cool like building kind of rims. And it's got a little window with the engine. It's got a weird face too. It's got 2 D's, little spoiler thing. No, not spoiler. Like it's got 2 D's. You can see like the little grill of the car. It's got 4 mufflers. It's got the old Lamborghini look on the back. It's even got a little this. It's even got a little like spoiler. It's so tiny. And the car looks so different. It just looks like a block. And I love it. And also the car is orange and I really like it. And here it's got the little writing of Lamborghini and stuff. And it drives super smooth. Oh no! Oh good. It has a safety auto protection, so it won't crash. So yeah, here we got the Hot Wheels, and look, just take a look at them. At my Hot Wheels collection here, and also you can take a look at these ones too. And also, these are not all my Hot Wheels. Some of them are on my shelf over there. So, yeah, guys, we're almost hit to a milestone. So, yeah, like and subscribe. Share it to your friends. Like it. And maybe when you're at school, go on your computer and watch my videos. That's what I do sometimes. So, yeah. And also, I have a gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. Subscribe and like. Share it to your friends. And also, bye. I hope you had a good day watching me unboxing some